Well, here we are in the kitchen, and we're starting at the chalkboard. And these are little things that we put on the chalkboard every week, and I put little sayings. Now, this was a project that was really difficult, but we finally got it done after a couple of sayings, or a couple of tries. But we did get it done, and now every week I put our menu down on what we're going to have for dinner, and Alex will come in and he'll write all over the board, and by the end of the week I'll need to wipe that all off and start fresh. But it was a fun project to get done. It wasn't fun doing it, but it was fun. I was glad when we finally did get it done. Put new light fixtures in here. The kitchen is pretty well done right now until I decide to kind of probably rip it out, because the kitchen cabinets are not my style, not my taste, but they're my budget. So we're going to keep those for now. The living room, we got a new carpet, and since the last time I did any of this. So this is our new carpet. We still have the old futon and the chair. We still have things sitting on the floor, but we did get new drapes. Got drapes put up last week, thank goodness. This is a rocker that I refinished. It's an antique rocker I got from an estate sale. That's a antique file box that I also, actually they had left it here up in the attic, and I kind of finished that up a little bit. So I've been busy refinishing as well. And there's my china cabinet and hutch, and my little corner, I call it my reading spot. So that's a kind of fun spot. And my TV. So got that all set. And then, oh gosh, so we'll come down the hallway here, and there's another like little runner that matches the same carpet that's out in the living room. The computer room is a complete disaster area. We do have a bed in here still, but no one could sleep on it because it has all of our computer crap on it. Computer is up and running. We do have internet access, but and we can use it. But it's a mess in here. So we've got to work on this room. Probably, I should get to that today. We'll see. So Alex's room is done. He's hopefully loving it in here. I'm hoping. So there's his bed with his Red Wings blanket on it, and he's got his own little recliner in here so he can sit and read at night and get his homework done and have a little peace and quiet. Hopefully get what he needs done and get accomplished and be good and happy here. So that's that. Our hall closet here is got our sheets and blankets all put away and nicely folded and all being good. Our bathroom has now got the baskets all organized here, and we're all organized all along the way here in our bathroom. Even our towel cabinet is all nicely organized and ready to rock and roll with that. So we're doing well as far as trying to keep organized and keep on top of things. Here's my master bedroom. I don't really have a headboard, footboard. We're just basic bed at this point. So I'm just happy to have a bed, really, honestly. So I'm good with that. And I've got my little laundry basket there, and my nightstand over there, and my dresser here, and there's the old Deacon's bench right there, which I absolutely love. I sit down there at night and get my shoes off and relax. And who said that tie racks were for ties anymore? If you're a boy, don't look at this. But there's my tie rack. I say it's a handy thing to have. So I still have a lot of light fixtures that need changing over and putting face plates on, but I've got a lot of those This one has been the light switch from Hal. I've changed it 3 times now. I still can't get it to work, so I may have to call the electrician and have him come out, because pretty soon I'm going to cause myself electrocution problems. So other than that, we are good to go. We've moved in here, and we Alex has been here 1 week already. He starts his 2nd week here this week, starting tonight, and all's good. So we are loving it here. So anyway, sorry it's been so long since I've talked to y'all, but I've been surrounded in boxes. As you can tell, I didn't take you to the basement because you would be scared, as I am scared to enter the basement. There are so many boxes. So my car does fit in the garage once again though, so the boxes have been emptied out from there, so that is a big plus. Anyways, I'll talk to you all soon. Love you. Bye.